Is your iPhone battery drain too fast? Here is how you can fix it. There are so many ways you can fix your battery iPhone from draining very fast. So I'll just run through some of these tips, majorly the one that a lot of iPhone user ignore. The first thing is to be sure that you power off your phone regularly. And doing that is very simple. Go to the settings button, tap on it, then tap general. Scroll down to this place, tap on this shutdown button, then swipe down or swipe like this to shut down your iPhone. Doing so, guys, is going to maintain or is going to balance or reduce the rate at which your iPhone battery drain very fast. The next option is that to be sure that you have the latest version of the iOS on your device. Go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Doing so is simple as easy. Tap on settings, go ahead and tap on general, tap on software update. So if there's any update here, guys, try as much as you can to update your iOS to the latest version. Then don't forget that you need to toggle off this button so that you have access to the latest iOS version when released by the iOS developers. That is the second thing that you need to do. Now, if your iPhone battery is still draining very fast, then guys, try. Go to the App Store. Once you tap on the App Store, make sure that you update every apps that have update on your device. You can manually do this by tapping on the update on each of the apps you have on your device, or you try as much as you can to update every apps on your device by tapping on this profile icon, tap on apps, then wait a few seconds. So wait for this page to load up. If there is any update here, guys, try as much as you can to update every app on your device. Now you can see that I have so many apps here. So try to update these so that this will prevent your battery from draining too very fast. The next thing you have to do, guys, is to first restart your phone if your iPhone battery drained very fast. And this is very simple. Tap on the volume up, volume down, then the power button, and wait for it to bring out the Apple logo. Once it brings out the Apple logo here, remove your hand from this and allow this phone to restart and boot properly. This should fix the iPhone battery drain very fast on your device. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.